Hey learner, this is Nilesh Borate. So on previous video, we have to see that the checkboxes and its event. So on this video, we will see some little advanced concept. So in this video, we will see that the simple food ordering example by using the checkboxes. So creating a new project. So file, new project. Select the empty activity, click next. This is a food ordering demo. Click finish. So this is the Kotlin file. This is your XML file. So going to this Android main.xml, going to this design mode. So here we select the 3 checkboxes. So see here in button section, this is one first checkbox. So here we set some properties. So your text is that this is the pizza, for example. Then select here ID. So this is the checkbox underscore pizza. Then here we use more properties. So see text color. Now here we change the text color. So here text color is that the red. Okay, now here we change the font. So see here text size, this is the 14 by default. So here we change the 20 or the 30. Select the text style. So here we select the bold, apply. So this is the first component, first checkbox. So here we Control C, copy this checkbox and the Control V. So see here second checkbox, again Control V. So again this is the third checkbox. So same property are copied here 2 times. Just change the text and the ID. So next text is that, for example, this is a burger, and the third one is that the coffee. So select here burger, check here the ID is that. So ID checkbox here burger, and the third checkbox coffee. So here we remove this text view and add the one button. So this is the button. So button text is that order. So here we set the text size. So your text size is that, for example, 40. So we change the color, text color. So text color is that, here we select this blue color. So see, this is a dark blue. Okay, this is a order. Then change the background color. So see here property is that the background. So select here background. So background color is that, for example, some yellowish color. This is a background color. Okay, so this is the design view. So see here in code section, so there is an error. So going to design mode and click here this link button, inferior constraint. So see here all these checkboxes and button are adjusted. So see in code. So this is the text color, text size, style bold. So this is a constraint property, and this is ID checkbox coffee. Same here, second checkbox, third checkbox, and this is your button. Okay, so this is a constraint layout code. So going to this main activity.kt file. So here we define all these components. First we declare the components. So let init var, for example, cb underscore pizza is your the checkbox. Same, copy paste this code. Second, cb underscore burger, cb underscore coffee. CB means the checkbox, and here the btn underscore order. So these are the variables. So here we map this component to this variable. So first one, cb underscore pizza is equal to find view by id r dot id dot checkbox underscore pizza. So same here, copy paste this 4 times. So second component is that, for example, burger. Third one is coffee, and this is the button, r dot id dot button. So this checkbox burger, then this checkbox coffee, and this is the button order. So here we set the event to the button. So when we click on the button, then display on your selected item bills. So btn underscore order dot set on click listener. So this listener. So see here. Now here we check if this checkbox is selected, means that if it is a check, so dot property is that is check. So if it is check, then here we use the some default value, for example total. So this total is in double. So see here, total is equal to total plus, for example, pizza costing is that the 150. So here we add the, so see there is an error, total must be initialized. So see here, which is equal to 0 by default. So here we add the 150 to this total and use the one string. So var, so use the string. So this is an empty string, and if the pizza is selected, then here we concat the some string. So for example, str is equal to str plus, so here we add pizza 150 rupees. Again we check the another check boxes. So here copy paste this code 2 times. So if your checkbox is, for example, burger, so here we add, for example, 100 rupees. So burger 100, and here if your coffee is selected, so here we add just 50, coffee 50. So here we use the /n for printing the result on new line. So here after selecting these checkboxes, so your result is display by using toast. So toast dot make test. First parameter is the current application context. So this or the get application context. Second parameter, here we display your the result. So second parameter is your the string, and third parameter toast dot, this is a length long dot show. So by using toast, here we print your the result. And finally, after this description, here we print the final bill. So final bill is equal to, for example, this is a total. So here we print all the descriptions, means that whatever you selected checkboxes, you select the checkbox, then this amount is added to this total. So this total is display after that description. So this is your the final bill. So test this code. So save these changes and run. So see here, run main activity. So see, there is an error, resource linking fail. 30 is incompatible with auto attribute text size dimension. So text size, see here, yes, these errors 30. So this is 30 dp, here 30 dp. Okay, so save these changes. Again, main activity, right button click and the run main activity. So see here, see there is an error. So going to this run mode, see main activity dot line number 22. So r dot id dot button, yes, here this is your the button, not a checkbox. So again save these changes, import this button, import. Okay, now run again. See, this is your output, pizza, burger, coffee, and this is your order button. So if you select the pizza 150 plus coffee 50 is equal to 200. So if you click the order, see pizza 150, 50 and final bill is your the 200. Okay, so this is a simple food ordering application. It's a very basic, which is very helpful for the learning purpose. So on next video we will see that the radio button and its event. So till, if you have any queries, then comment on the query in comment box. Likes and subscribe the channel. See you on next video. Thank you.